press conference ng Bufalo. So this is a media of Misamis City. May request for come in my house in the Misamis Occidental, Misamis City. So I have a press conference of the American and Buffalo Kapimapin restaurant in Riyadh, Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. So I give to thank you very much the acknowledgement of the manager, head manager, and CEO of the next company, Turkey company, the owner of Saudia. So thank you very much, Mr. Rolly G. Saputi, head manager of the American Buffalo restaurant. Now this is my press conference. I give with a video of knowledge of the Buffalo restaurant. Under support of United Allies genuine opposition in 2010 election, bombarded. So, calling the attention. May requested for the candidate President of the Republic of the Philippines, no other than Mr. Ding Dong. Who is the Vice President? Help me, sir, with the Vice President.
May tanong pa kami. Bakit hindi mo ang napili mo? Wala ka ba?
I don't understand.